My name is Divyansh Gupta. I study in class 7E and my roll number is 11. In my science project, I am going to tell you about the electrolysis of water. Electrolysis of water is the process of using electricity to decompose water into oxygen and hydrogen gas. This is a diagrammatic representation of the electrolysis of water. In this beaker, water solution is filled that consists of salt, that is an electrolyte making water a good conductor of electricity. These are the two electrodes. As this is connected to the positive terminal of the battery, it is the anode, and as this is connected to the negative terminal, it becomes the cathode. Once the electricity starts flowing in the circuit, the water molecules start breaking into one H plus ion and OH minus ion. As the OH minus ion is negative, it is attracted towards the positive terminal, and as the H plus ion is positive, it is attracted towards the negative terminal. The OH minus ions release one electron that is flown towards the cathode and absorbed by the hydrogen present there. So we can say that oxidation takes place at anode and reduction takes place at cathode. From these equations we can derive that two hydrogen molecules are released at the cathode and one oxygen molecule is released at the anode, which I will prove and show in my model. This is the apparatus used in laboratories for electrolyzing water. It is called the Hofmann voltmeter. Now we will see the application. In the electrolysis of water, the hypochlorous acid and sodium hydroxide are produced as byproducts. So these can be used as disinfecting agents to sanitize hospitals and high-touch places. Hypochlorous acid is far more efficient than bleach and much safer. Now I will demonstrate a working model of the electrolysis of water. In this model, I have taken a glass tumbler with water solution filled in it, two graphite pencils and a 9-volt battery. These two graphite pencils are acting as electrodes. This graphite pencil is connected to the positive terminal, thus it is the anode, and this pencil is connected to the negative terminal, thus it is the cathode. So I have completed the circuit by connecting the wires to the battery, and the bubbling has also started. So as you can see, there are more number of bubbles at the cathode as compared to the anode. So this suggests that hydrogen is produced in excess at the cathode. In this experiment, I have proved that water can be broken down into oxygen and hydrogen. Thank you.